What's up guys, back here with another video. Today I'm going to be doing some badge replacement on this 2023 330i. So all you're going to need is a hair dryer, some Goo Gone, dental floss, masking tape, and a couple of clean microfiber towels. You're going to start off really simply by masking around the edge of the badge that you want to replace. If you're going to replace it, if not, you don't really need to do this step. Then you're going to heat it up with a hair dryer. It's pretty simple, just as long as you're able to touch the badge still, you know it's not too hot. Then just to heat up the glue in the back there to soften it up, you're going to grab your dental floss and start working your way through it. Try to pull away from the paint so you're not scratching it or doing any extra damage. It's pretty simple, just kind of do like a sawing motion right through the glue and it should come up pretty easily. As you see here, I start pulling on the edge of the letter, on the edge of the number. It's not the best idea to do that. I just kind of got a little impatient. So I wouldn't suggest doing that. Just let it fall off the car. After that, you're going to grab your Goo Gone, start using that and to kind of soften up and work the area where the goo is. It'll come off pretty easily. Goo Gone's a really good product. Don't let it dry on the paint, and then just replace the badge within the masking area. I didn't show that part because it's pretty self-explanatory. It looks 1,000 times better. I love the way the black badges look. It matches perfectly with all my gloss black accents. And then I decided to remove the X-Drive badge because there's still some chrome on the back, and I didn't really want any chrome in the back of the car. So it looks 1,000 times better, and this was really, really easy. It took me about 25 minutes to do both sides and replace the badge, and that's about it, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.